This is the most wanted handheld tool. In this video, I'll share the problems you might face while making it. I am Ashok and welcome to Ashok'sLab. Here are the materials required. For attaching the motors to the front cap, I use screws. Please don't use super glue. Insert the motor into the pipe and cut the square front face into a circle. I use the sandpaper to smoothen the edges. It looks cool and great. I created a circuit for tuning the motor on and off and for switching reverse and forward direction. You can find the circuit diagram in the description. I soldered the motor to the circuit and attached the base. Also smoothened it with sandpaper. Finally, attach the drill chuck to the motor shaft. The drill works well, but the check isn't very good, so I recommend using a high quality one that's linked in description provided. I hope this information helps you. Thanks for watching and bye.